hotter. Hotter. What them a go do ya now? New link on the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Man, don't call the police.
The police now call them now.
I want to rob the bank yesterday.
This guy.
Eh?
I'm going on a flat truck, man.
Yo, you man is gone over, man.
The man in the bush, man. Go in the bush with him.
Yo! Don't make you escape.
Go in the bush, man.
John Star. So, yeah, people that are them say now are one of the alleged bank robber. Them get caught, you understand, and thing. And when I look into the whole process of the whole thing, people, I got through Instagram where this video was posted, and several people on it are comment people, and they have so much different things to say on Instagram, where most of the comments, and I do read them, is where the people are defending these criminals, these thieves, you know. And what many people are saying is they happy they get the money, but greatest thing, they're not shoot nobody or anything like that, you know what I mean? But in the process, people, as I can hear in the background, one of the man say, you know, say them boy are thief, you know what I mean? Them thief my bike. So basically, people toward this look to me is like these man, one of these man, as I say, that was captured in Westmoreland, and basically they are not originally from Westmoreland, you know what I mean? They are from other parts, and they move come there, people, and like a be a thiefness them are going with. So that's why the residents, like, in the video, people wish they kind of block out the part where the man on the ground because of, you know, reasons and restrictions and YouTube and thing. But in the process, people, you can definitely see where the civilians are trying to help the soldier to catch another one, because them say one run gone in the bush and things. So people are really, you know, it's just a really big something, people, but it is just alleged that he's one of them, but it's not fully confirmed yet. People say yes, because if when the soldier say, yo boy, I want to rob the bank, he must say, yo, I want to rob bank. But in the process, people, the soldiers do recover a 9mm pistol from this man. So definitely something up his sleeve, you understand, something up his sleeve. And news are reached New Link that they have strong, you know what I mean, strong evidence that these men are the one who responds for that cruel and that thieving act that they did. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. This is New Link, you know, from New Link Production, people, and we say attacking, and I just peace, you know, and love people and respect, and just be good and be great and be blessed. Peace out. Attack.